Whose phone is zinging?
Zinging.
Hey guys, it is Kylie here today, and today I am here with
Liz E.
and
Madison.
And my little baby sister, Madison. Baby, just a little baby sister.
And my big ass rodent. Just a big ass sister. My big ass rodent sister, Kylie.
Shut up.
You have a toe sticking on your sock. Insert a picture of the dog so they see what we're saying.
That is so funny. In today's video, we are going to be doing the deaf, blind, and mute baking challenge. Woo! So, we have yet to decide who is going to be blind, mute, and deaf, but we decided to save it for the video to discuss on who's going to get each thing. Who do we think should get, I'd like me to think about this like logically, like who we should shut up and who we should
I should shut you up, to be honest. Like, actually, do you agree? Honestly, no, I'm just kidding. Wait, I gotta think about, like, because I feel like you're the most vocal. I think it might be, this is actually hard. Wait,
one of you blind.
I was gonna say, I can see Madison being blind.
I could kind of see it too, that's easy.
Yeah, and I can see you being mute.
I can see you being deaf. Should we do that?
Sure, okay.
Mute,
Go find
deaf,
that tape,
blind.
and then the bandana.
Liz actually
We can
has
make
it good
up
because she gets to listen to music. Okay, wait, I feel like this is, oh, that's huge,
You
but
want
like,
help?
okay, wait, I
I
got
just put Laneige on and I'm gonna put dust
It's not even gonna stick then.
wait, I gotta like,
Should I double knot it?
I guess I'll wipe my
You
precious
can go
Laneige
tighter.
off my lip.
Tighter?
ooh, that's
Madison,
squeezing
you
the
got
brain of it.
oil?
Oh,
Shut
shit.
up. Oh, we have some.
Oh my god, we do.
Can you see?
I
At
can
all.
see,
At
no,
all.
I can
Can you
see,
see me right now?
I can see shadows on here, but I can't like.
Guys, someone
where
hold up a number right here. I can just see light, but I can't see what it is. Like I can see light. Liz, try holding a number up right here, because I can't. 2.
Oh.
Is that the number?
Yeah.
Oh no, that was literally a wild guess.
I was like, how the hell? Can I?
Shut up. I'm about to go mute.
Thank God.
We have been waiting for.
I
Whatever,
feel
you're
like
fine.
this challenge is
So-
gonna very much annoy me.
Why?
Just like because you can't see
Me
and then
too.
talk
I'm gonna
over.
wanna-
Bitch, what the fuck?
Okay, can someone talk?
Madison's the only one
Oh, no, I never
able to
did.
talk during this whole thing. Oh my god. Actually, bitch, it's just you.
Candy shop.
We might need another layer on there, Kylie. We need to calm down. Quiet coyotes. Kylie, you need you need another layer of tape on there.
Oh, on your, yeah.
Kylie, this is supposed to shut you up, not make you still keep up.
Wait, Madison, did you say you wanted a picture?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did actually.
Madison wants a picture.
We all gotta stand like in,
Okay,
in a row.
Madison, come here. Come here. Get going? Okay.
Okay, what's first step? I can't see the instructions, so
Wait,
you guys gotta tell me.
now I realize. Wait, I just realized.
Liz is screaming so loud. I just realized.
I'm gonna talk over you guys all the time.
Yeah. Guys, homework.
Never mind, I can't talk. Should I read it aloud?
Yeah.
Madison, Kylie's heating the
Did we get a
oven.
bowl out?
What?
Did we get a bowl out?
Something-
A bowl. A bowl.
A bowl? I don't know where that's located, but sure. That's the problem. I don't know where anything is.
I have to fart. I apologize.
I don't know where that is either. Wait. Should we grab a whisk? Whisk or spatula?
Spatula.
Grease, bottom only of the pan. Madison, I feel like it's gonna do nothing. What are you supposed to do?
Crack the eggs. That makes it more fun. What? I don't know.
She's gonna grease it.
I
Okay.
can't. You tap me, but I don't know what to do because I can't see you, bitch. You're just freaking petting me.
Where's the grease at?
Yeah, true. Hopefully this doesn't take off my fake tan.
Expired.
Actually, what is it? What is it?
We don't have grease.
Can we use vegetable
Butter.
Can we use all? Oh yeah, butter. Let's just melt butter. Will that still work?
Literally us two standing here. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Okay, guys, cracking 2 eggs.
Okay, where are you cracking? What?
She's cracking 2 eggs.
I'm cracking.
Madison.
Right here.
Oh no.
Clean it up, bitch. I can't fucking see it.
Okay.
The way that looks goes, oh no. So good. Yum. Okay, wait, guys. I don't want to step on anything.
Don't move.
Okay. So can I walk and crack an egg? Where's the bowl?
You're thinking I can hear the mumbling.
Where's the bowl?
Huh?
Where's the bowl?
Okay, 2 eggs again?
Yep.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna grab a paper towel.
Okay, put it in my hand then.
Okay.
Okay, can I crack it now? Can I? Oh, it's dripping on the counter.
Nice.
Where's the garbage? Oh no, Liz, I felt where you dropped the egg. It's wet. Guys, where's the... Oh, jeez. Can I wash my hands?
Good. Egg 2.
Oh my god. What? Okay, garbage. Oh no. Is that the garbage? That feels hot.
No. Do you have vanilla?
Vanilla? It's in the fridge.
Vanilla extra?
It's in the fridge. I used
Just
it.
don't knock the bowl off, but you're good. Okay, Madison, you need 4 of these.
4?
Of vanilla.
Oh no.
I'll unscrew it. Oh. Okay.
I have to shit so bad. Hashtag relatable. Am I over the bowl? Am I?
No, nothing's coming.
Am I over the...
Okay, right there. Keep going.
I think it's out.
Why is it like not filling?
That's 1, right?
Good.
2. Since when is there vanilla in cake? 3, right? What? I don't know what you're saying. Yeah. I was just supposed to say use your words. Liz. Oh. What?
What? She did 1. I did 1.
I did 4.
We're good. Okay. She's done.
Okay, where's
She's done?
Here.
Oh.
Here.
1/3 of a cup of butter. That's melted.
Melt it, bitch.
Oh yeah.
This one's good. What? What? Dipshit. What? Are you giving me my lip gloss or moving? What? Got it.
Hey Madison,
What?
you're gonna have to dump the cake mix.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay, Can I dump it now?
What?
Can I dump now?
A knife?
I got my nail. Look at it, made a hole. Bitch.
Oh.
Guys, I'm
Oh. Wait, we never used
Hey,
this.
don't move the bowl out of it. Oh, that didn't feel like the garbage. I think it is.
Wait, are people like talking or like?
No. We're actually
guess.
sitting in dead silence. Eyebrow bones hurt. It's so tight. It's just like my eyes are sunken in, so it's pushing against the bone. My skull. Hey. It looks so good. I can't see it. What?
Why does it look chunky?
Apparently chunks are good. I just learned that in baking and pastries. For cakes, muffins. I think it was cakes. Muffins that's what we learned. What?
Keep going.
Huh. Mix, 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 bitch.
I'm in high gear. It's not. Madison, take over the stirring.
Oh. Liz,
Huh?
is there a rat right next to me, right? Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Is it good? Not quite, right? I mean, I've never made a cake. It looks decent, yeah. We have to dump it in here?
No.
Are these all greased? Oh.
Oh. I was checking.
What are you supposed to do? Are you sure? You don't have like a scooper?
Use a cup. Like not a cup, but like a cup or a measuring cup. Motherfucking genius. What?
I just wanna let it go for the night. Best therapy for me. Hey, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, yeah. I'm running out. Hey, ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay, watch out.
Yeah, yeah.
I got the pan. It's not going anywhere.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Let it go. La 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 la, girl wanna play. Let it go. Say let it go. La 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 la, girl wanna play. Let it go. La 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 la, girl wanna play. Let it go. Say let it go. La 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 la.
I think I know which song she's listening to, but it doesn't sound like
girl,
what
what you doing tonight? I wanna see what you. That's good, yeah. Show it. Oh wait, they can see it. Need some more. Hey baby, you can be my girl. I can be your.
Oh.
Watch out! There's a hot oven.
Where does the cup go? This is getting heavy. What? Oh. Gosh, gotcha. Grab her. Can't even see.
Wait, why does that actually look refreshing?
As it is.
Wait, I want to pour myself a glass.
Oh, that is good milk.
I can't hear it. Fun. What am I supposed to do?
Hey, well, this is probably good.
Talk? Hi.
This is probably good that I got the.
Oh, right now we're frosting the cupcakes. We're getting ready. Oh, they removed good.
Where? Where did we put the frosting?
Oh, we need to let them cool.
No.
Or the frosting will melt off of them.
What?
What? Frost them?
Yum. Good.
Stop frosting them.
Didn't even.
You're not supposed to frost them. They have to cool. I wouldn't open it yet. Madison, I wouldn't. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
What?
I kind of want to eat that one.
What? Does it look good? Let me see.
Wait,
I
Madison,
wanna
can you
see.
eat frosting? Isn't it dairy?
Ow!
I heard that scream.
Dude, now I gotta wash my hands. It touched. Nasty ass. Ow! I should have got sprinkles.
Ice.
Guys,
Like a blizzard.
shoot.
When we drink, we do it right.
It's okay.
Getting slizzers. Fly like a G6. Like a G6. Like a G6. No. I'm feeling so fly like a G6.
What?
No, I'm feeling so fly like a G6.
Ow, my head. What? I
What?
don't know what the.
Open the frosting. Don't open the frosting, Madison.
I'm not. I can't.
You're no. Don't open it.
I am.
They're way too hot. It's just gonna melt.
Put them in the freezer.
Your lips mean nothing to me.
Freezer.
Put them in the freezer?
Yeah. Good.
Where?
Somewhere or in the
Do you
fridge.
have any room?
No. I got it open.
They're gonna chill for a minute.
I got it open.
Oh, it's open.
Yeah, I got it open.
Oh, yeah. This should be good. I guess that must be. Get going, Madison.
Sorry.
Over by Kylie. No? Slap your butt?
I need the frosting.
You
I need the frosting.
mix your butt.
Where is the frosting?
What are you doing?
The frosting.
Right here.
Where? Can't say right here. I don't know where that is.
Crapping?
Who is
You
you?
have to crap, so we have to hurry up. Not on it. Swirl. Swirl. Swirl.
Don't use too much for one. That was a lot. We should pipe it inside of them. Like, can I try one?
I feel like you're gonna poke a hole in that. Oh, she's purposely.
Did it pipe? Oh no. It didn't?
Wait, can I try making a perfect cupcake? Me? Body like the sun.
Fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we done.
Not bad. Just be careful, a lot of them have frosting.
Roll up my sleeve.
Oh my god. Yeah. Not the perfect one.
Was that what it was? Guys, direct me to some of that art.
You got me feeling like this. Oh, why.
What?
Oh my god. Yikes.
Right there. It's,
Ah! Body like the summer.
I don't know what to do. You're just holding my hand in the air. Is it right there? Good? Good.
Okay, Madison. Why are you laughing? Oh my god.
Because you're singing it. Oh. Is it
Want
actually
some frosting? Ready? What? What are you doing?
I was gonna get some.
Open your mouth, Madison.
Wait, I'm gonna choke.
Want some? Oh. Not a lot.
Take it to the candy shop. Ooh.
Okay. Oh!
The candy
The candy shop is playing and it goes, oh yeah, so seductive. As you were squirting the frosting in my mouth.
Whoa! No reason to push. I got a call. It's expired. That's from Bright Christmas in 2020.
What is that? What?
Can we hurry?
I don't know what's going on. Oh!
Can we hurry? I kind of have to crap again. What?
Put a paper under it.
Me? I'm gonna do it?
Just wait, I lifted the cupcakes.
Oh. So I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
No, let me do it. It's not part of it.
Just let her do it and see how they turn out.
They're not coming out. There's a cover still, I think.
Can you guys hear my music?
Yeah.
Take you to the candy shop.
Ow!
Got
Holy fudge.
the spot. Get to the candy shop. Stop.
Lally.
Stop. That's that. Take you to the candy. Did we ever cancel the oven?
Cancel.
You got it, Madison.
This is frosting all over it.
It's coming out. Go more left. Not as far forward.
What? Am I done?
Wait, go over right here. Oh, well, she moved. One sprinkle.
Nothing is like coming out.
It's all coming out. And get it, buddies. Alright, we're good. We're good. There's sprinkles all over.
Can I take my blindfold off? Can I take my blindfold off? Liz.
3 seconds. 3.
Blind.
2. Oh, we're moving in 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3.
What?
2, 1.
We're moving. Take it off. Those are pretty good. Look at it. Did I do that? Did I do that?
Swirl.
Did I do that? That was pretty good.
I did.
No, I did this one. That one's cute. What swirl did I do?
This one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
These look pretty good. Look at how cute it is. That's what we were talking about.
It did.
Now these cupcakes, on the other hand.
Yeah, okay, by the way, guys, these are gluten-free cupcakes because I am gluten-free, so.
Yeah, so
We wanted to make
a little
sure-
bit pale.
We wanted to make sure that I could eat these. Okay, let's all take taste test.
2.
Cheers. Cheers.
Not bad.
Mmm.
For gluten free.
These are great.
Yeah, actually.
These were good.
I agree. They taste like normal.
These are incredible.
Yeah.
I know for a fact in about 0.10 minutes I'm gonna explode my pants, but they're pretty good for now.
Why? So guys, that was this week's video. This was actually really fun to make. Like
Yeah.
this was fun. I'm gonna do
It
this
was
again.
probably more fun for you guys. I
Just
couldn't
go
hear you
over.
guys
Oh
laughing.
yeah,
Or anything.
you couldn't hear anything. Like this was hilarious. Like I
So
was
to me,
dying.
it's like I don't know.
Well, we should switch places all next time.
Yeah, we should do it until all three did.
Yeah, until we all.
That's a good idea.
Okay, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys like this video, comment down below because we would definitely do that. Well, we are gonna do that whether you like it or not. So, like and subscribe if you haven't already. These are our.
I have to crap too.
Me too. These are our cupcakes that we made
all
very.
about to we're about to all explode our pants.
We're all. I pooped it all today.
We're all like,
So that was our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want another one, we will see you guys next week. Peace out! Woo!
That was kind of good.
Woo!
them on the counter.
Yes.
Is my chapstick still here, you think?
Oh, in that.
Should I go?
Oh yeah, it's here.
What? Oh, pose for thumbnail.
Whoa, I did not really go that far away from the corner.
What?
Pose
You
for
can't just
thumbnail.
hit me, I can't see. She was full on just Is that what we're doing? Wait, what are we doing? I don't know.
Guys, we gotta make a fucking cake.
My lip gloss still on good?
Guys, let's all say peace out at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, I think this video is gonna take a little bit longer than what we thought.